Hello, my name is Yazid Abdul Wahab. As Muhammad Rizky Rafaik. We are from Tanjung Bikatu.
If you should know about the Western and Indonesian Express,
Yeah, if you is okay, I realized it was that bad.
when there is crazy millions of tons of plastic or refresh.
And it's not just the environment affected. I also have for people in the rivers.
Excited, we need to do something to reduce our plastic waste and clean up our refresh.
Absolutely, I think we should go west of the rivers.
That's a great idea. I will by start by switching to reservoir.
Me too.